Welcome back to Dubro 101. Today we're going to talk about the Universal Kwik Switch Mount. The Kwik Switch Mount consists of just a few pieces in the packaging, but each one of them is used. The switch that you select is just a standard hobby switch. They come in various sizes and makes, but there are enough provisions within the main mount system that you should be able to mount it easily. Additionally, you will need a flathead screwdriver to accommodate the screws included in the kit, and the guide tube here can be tightened with a 5/16 inch wrench. You'll want to determine beforehand whether or not you want your switch to be a pull to on or pull to off. The first step is to mount your switch to the Kwik Switch mount using the enclosed screws. The next step is to place the switch assembly inside the fuselage and attempt to locate the best place to position it for mounting. Once you've found that spot, you can drill a 3/16 inch hole wherever you need to. I prefer to use a piece of masking tape to protect my fuselage paint finish in this example. After the hole is drilled, insert the nylon guide and screw it into the switch mount until it's secure. Note that here is where you can use a 5/16 inch box wrench, but make sure you don't over tighten and begin crushing your balsa model. The switch cap is then placed in position, and then you insert the push rod and screw it into the switch cap until it's snug. Make sure that the switch makes full throw to the on and off position. Here is an up-close example of the switch assembled, and this is just for pure visualization. You can note that I've trimmed off a little bit of plastic here for fitting inside my particular application. There's additional trimming on the plate right here, but that's just underneath to make sure that I go to the full on and off position. I've opted for a pull to on switch configuration. So that would be off, that would be on. Thanks so much for stopping by the shop today. I hope you learned something, and be sure to head on over to Dubro.com for all your hobby hardware needs.